Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where all the items have been moved around to in the new Easter Dress to Impress update. So as you can see, the area in the middle is no longer there, as well as the one in VIP. Like all the Valentine's Day stuff has been moved, and you may be wondering where it went. So it's actually placed outside of VIP for some reasons. Like everything is placed in this middle Valentine's box here. So if you do have VIP, it will show you obviously all the VIP stuff with the ones outside of VIP, like the one outside here. But I think if you don't have VIP, it's not going to show like the VIP section, like items as well, like the VIP sections. So yeah, but if you didn't play in the Valentine's update at all, it's not going to show up, unfortunately. Also, they're going to be removing the Valentine's Day patterns as well as the poses, so make sure you get that before the actual Easter update. This was just a mini one. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.